We are Team Blockred. Our project is the blockchain-based secure academic certificate verification with QR validation. The main aim of our project is to provide a secure, tamper-proof and instant certificate verification system using blockchain technology. SHA 256 cryptography, Firebase and QR code validation. This system helps educational institutions and the recruitment verify certificate quickly and reliable. These are my teammates Nikita, me and Shreya B. Yadav. These are the contents. Introduction. Academic certificate verification is an important process in both education and recruitment. Today, most verification processes are manual, which makes them time-consuming and prone to human errors. There is also a growing issue of fake certificates and fraud documents. To solve this problem, we propose a digital verification system where a blockchain provides a tamper-proof storage and QR code enable instant verification. This provides both security and efficiency. Problem identification. The existing certificate verification process faces several challenges. First, fake certificates and increasingly being used for jobs and admissions. Second, manual verification can take days or even weeks. A certificate can be altered or duplicated. Traditional QR codes alone are not secure because they can be copied. Finally, most systems only verify data and cannot detect suspicious activities. These limitations motivated us to develop a more secure verification platform. Proposed solution. Our solution is a blockchain-based certificate verification system. When an institution issues a certificate, SHA 256 hash is generated and stored securely in a blockchain and Firebase. A QR code is then generated for the certificate equipment can scan the QR code or upload a certificate to verify its authenticity, detects valid, temper, revoked, or unregistered certificate. This transforms verification from a manual process into instant digital services. Objectives. The primary objectives of our project is to develop a secure blockchain-enabled certificate verification system. Our specific objectives include preventing certificate and enabling instant verification using QR codes, storing records securely, providing a role-based access to authorities and detect temper certificate automatically, and reducing verification time from days to just a few seconds. The expected outcomes is a secure and transparent verification platform that increases and trust in academic credential. Next slide will be continued by Shreya B. Yadav.
Next slide is system architecture. Here in this, we show the complete architecture of our system. The process starts when an educational authority generates a certificate. A SHA 256 hash is stored in both Ethereum blockchain and a Firebase Firestore. A QR code is then generated and attached to the certificates. The student receives the certificates. Later, a recruiter can scan the QR code or upload the certificates. The verification engine compares the generated hash with the stored hash and displays the result as valid or tampered proof or invalid. Next slide, technical stack. Our project uses multiple technologies working together. The front end is developed using the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Flask is used as a backend framework. Firebase Firestore stores the certificate and users' informations. Ethereum blockchain and Solidity smart contract provide secure storage for certificate hashes. SHA-256 used for cryptographic hashing. Ganache and MetaMask are used for blockchain testing and wallet integrations. Next slide, functional modules. The system is divided into 6 modules. The authentication module manages the login and access control. The certification management module handles the certificate generation and storage. The blockchain module stores hashes securely. The QR code module generates a QR code for certificates. The verification module validates the certificate authenticity. And finally, the audit and history module maintains the verification logs and records. This modular design improves the security, scalability, and maintainability. Next is implementation and project process. During implementation, we developed a user authentication and next certificate processing and hash to SHA-256 hash generation were implemented. Certificate records were stored in Firebase implementation. Firestore, while blockchain was used to ensure data integrity. QR-based verification was then integrated. Finally, the verification engine was developed to classify certificates as valid or invalid. The key achievements include the Firebase integration, blockchain implementations, smart contract developments, tampering detections, and QR validations. Next slide, Firebase database integration. Firebase Firestore acts as a central cloud database of our system. It stores user details, certificate records, and verification history. The user collection stores user profiles and roles. The certificate collection stores the certificate metadata and hash values. The verification history collection stores the audit logs of verification activities. Firebase provides the real-time access, scalability, cloud storage, and seamless integration with our Flask backend. Next slide, blockchain implementation. In this, blockchain provides a security and immutability. We developed Solidity smart contracts and developed them using Remix IDE. Ganache provides a local Ethereum blockchain environment for testing, and MetaMask enables the interaction with the blockchain. Whenever a certificate is issued, its SHA-256 hash is stored on the blockchain. Since blockchain records cannot be modified after storage, any tampering can be detected immediately during verifications. And next slide will be explained by Nikita.
QR code and certificate verification process. This slide explains how verification is performed. Recurrents can either upload a certificate or scanner its QR code. The system generates a SHA-256 hash from the certificate and retrieves the original stored hash from the database and the blockchain. Both hashes are compared. If they match, the certificate is valid. If they do not match, the certificate is considered tampered. This process provides instant verification and significantly reduce the manual efforts. Next slide. Challenges faced and the solutions. During the development, we faced several technical challenges. Firebase configurations initially caused the connection issues, which were resolved by the proper Firestore setup. Blockchain setup and the smart contract deployment were complete using the Gantt and Remix IDE. MetaMask integrations was required for wallet connectivities. We also implemented SHA-256 based verifications, logic, and synchronized data between the Flask and the Firestore. This challenge helped us gain the practical experience in blockchain, cloud computing, and the full stack development. Next slide. Future enhancement. In the future, This project can be expanded further. OCR technologies can automatically extract information from the certificates. AI based fraud detections can identify the patterns. Mobile applications can be developed for easier access. Multiple universities can join the same blockchain's network. A public verifications protocol can be introduced and the systems can evolve into a national level academic verification platforms. Next. Conclusion. Our project successfully provided a secure, transparent, and readable certificate verification mechanisms by combining blockchain technologies and SHA-256 hashing, Firebase, cloud service, and QR-based verifications. We can prevent certificate forgery and enable instant validations. This system improves the trust, transparency, and efficiency while reducing manually verifications effort. Next, I'll share the website. Ma'am. Nisha, screen share. You just upload a certificate image or PDF. System scan the certificate using the optional character recognitions or QR, serial verifications, metadata checkings, and the ledger matching. If check if the certificate exists in this database. Verification result, the system display the valid certificates, original certificate verified, authority confidence scores, and the security status as a secure. This means the upload certificates match the stored records. In admin console, it registers new certificates and generate the certificate serials IDs, store certificates details, manage the receipt informations, maintain the ledger record and the database. In fields visible, certificate ID, graduate or receipt name, issuers, award date, course, degree name, watchmark, text and status. In systems alerts, fake certificates. This model detects the fake certificates, unregistered serial IDs, tampered documents, and the verification attempts. The system sends the admin email alerts and the SMS gateway alerts in real time warnings. For example, unregistered certificate serial ID is detected. Alert sends to the admin. In technologies like used front-end React and HTML, CSS, in backend Node.js and Express, in database we use MongoDB and the Firebase. In blockchain ledger we use Ethereum. Main object of the project: prevent fake certificates, provide instant verifications, and improve the trust and the security. Help colleges and companies validate the documents quickly. Advantages: fast verification and reduce the fraud, secure digital management, real-time alert system, accurate authentic detections. These verification systems that authenticate upload the certificate using the OR scanning, serial ID, validations, and metadata analysis, and secure ledger matching. The systems detects the faker or tampered certificates and provided real-time security alerts with admin the monitoring the support. Thank you. And ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದು ಜೀರಾ ಟೂಲಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Uh-huh. Okay. So you guys, like as I said in the afternoon, do that one thing also. Like whatever the certificate we upload, it have to show that like whether the certificate is valid or not. Like that, you have to do. Okay. So that is the main task. But like whatever the certificate we upload, it has to show that it's valid or not, like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you do that thing and submit before Saturday. Okay,
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
or Monday. Like when is your exams?
17th ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
17 ma'am.
Okay, okay, you have time, enough time. So just like 1 week is there, na?
ಯಾ
One
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
and a half week is there.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
before Monday, you show like on Monday, come and show me. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
okay, okay,
ಓಕೆ,
okay.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.